Hi guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. So this is the last video now of this series where I have my PLC test rig here, which I use at home, and I've just created a whole set of drawings for it. And so now I just want to show you how you wrap this all up. So you click on your project up here at the top, click on print, and then set your printer. So I'm going to set it to print to PDF, and then you click print document, and then you've got all your sheets selected. Click OK. And then now let's put it in my downloads, and let's say home PLC electrical drawings rev 1, and then it prints. So I just realized actually I need to update down here. I've got my project name and project number, so let's change that because it's still saying rev G. What I think my preferred revision strategy is to go basically when I'm in development, so not pre-production, pre-release, yeah, I do rev A, B, C, D all the way down to Z, obviously, and then I could, if I ever was to get that many revisions and still not be at release yet, which would be crazy, I could then go AA, BB, yeah, and then just keep going like that. And then when I get to release, i.e. the drawings are done now and the product's been released, or the machine's been done, then I can go rev 1, rev 2, rev 3, rev 4. That's essentially what I'm doing here. So let's come to our project settings here. Let's set the name now to just the name without the rev, just home PLC. That's changed down here. And then let's set number, which is my project number, -1 for rev 1. And then yeah, we'll do a save all. And then let's just do another print. So click on the project, click print, print document, okay, and then rev 1, save, replace it, and we're done. I mean, it's pretty cool. So let's see what our drawings look like when we're done. PDF is currently 0 KB. Come on, 16 out of 16 pages. When you're ready, there we go. And this is it. This is our final set of drawings ready to give to production, the customer, whoever. And the only bad thing I would say about SkyCAD, and I mean there are small things that SkyCAD could improve, but what's kind of, in my view, unacceptable is that when you export now the PDF, it looks incredible, but it's all images and you can't select any of this text. If I click on my PDF editor and click edit text, I can't. It just sees them as an image and not as a text, which sucks. Like, that's not great, but let's ignore that for now. If we go to full screen mode, let's just look at our drawings in all their glory. So we've got our sheet 1, which again I didn't have to keep updating this. As I moved the sheets around, it updated itself. Got my power distribution, got my safety circuit, Siemens PLC inputs. So every drawing's titled as well, which is nice. Siemens PLC outputs, Siemens PLC analogs, Siemens relay circuit, Arduino PLC, HMI, which is what we did in the last video, network, back face layout, front face layout, top face layout, X0, X1 terminals layout, X2, X3 terminals layout, and then our parts list. And that is pretty cool. I like that. Like, I'm very, I wanted the set of drawings for myself, and this is a good set of drawings. I'm very happy with that. Cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed it, leave a like, and yeah, I don't know, let me know what you'd like me to do next. Actually, these are the sorts of things that I wish existed when I first started doing electrical controls. I spent a bit of time on YouTube, and there wasn't much, I must say, like in terms of understanding drawings. There is a guy, B Automation, pretty cool guy. He's done some videos on electrical drawings, but I think like his is kind of paywalled behind, like you got to pay or sign up or something. So it'd be nice if more people did this. But yeah, cool. All right, let me know. Yeah, cool. Take care. Bye bye.